All right, thank you. Perfect. So we have a lot of participants here. Welcome to the 3-day bootcamp. So type 3 in the chat box if you're ready to learn and do some amazing work in terms of covering Claude Code and Grok and one secret method to actually skyrocket your income. Perfect. Yes. So type 3 in the chat box if you're going to be there for all the 3 days and complete all the tasks. Right? Yes. Type 3 in the chat box if you're okay and you're going to be committed towards that. Yes. And I hope it's not an Indian commitment. It's really commitment. It's a Swiss commitment. Yes. So type S in the chat box if you're okay for making a Swiss or a German commitment. Okay. And they're going to be perfect. So what we're going to do is going to get started. We're going to rock and roll. And I'm telling you, perfect. Thank you so much. Can't read out everybody's names. We have a lot of participants. Amit, Amod, Ananta, Aniket, Balaji, Valendu, Vanukumar, Tarun, Chinman, Srinivasu, Mahalingam. Yes, Mahesh, Manohar, Nagaraju, Neelam, Niranjan, Prasanna, Nikhil, Rajaswamy, Rajesh, Ravi, Satish, Seshagiri. Good to see you. And Ganesh. Great. Awesome. So now, okay, so many of you are beginners here, so I'm going to help you out, all of you out here. So type 1 in the chat box if you're ready and excited for the 3-day bootcamp. I'm super excited to serve you and learn from you as much as I am also, you are learning from me. Yes. And the goal for this is for absolute beginners, for those who don't know. And these are actually many of the tips and techniques I'll be teaching are secret techniques that most of the other people are not teaching and they have no idea. Are you okay receiving that? And there's going to be a lot of hands-on. You're going to be doing it. And there's going to be a public leaderboard. What does public leaderboard mean? So all of you are going to be doing the exercises, submitting, and you'll be coming out on top and you'll know it publicly who's doing it or who's not. Is it, how many of you agree that that gamified way is one of the fastest ways to learn? Type G in the chat box if you're okay with that. Okay, perfect. So I would request everybody to come onto your laptops because there's going to be a lot of hands-on. Yes, perfect. Yes. Okay, so this is going to go at least for 3 hours. So next 9 hours, today, tomorrow, and later, you can forget about everything. You can forget about, so it'll go for a long, long time. So type 9 in the chat box if you're okay doing this. Are you guys okay? 9 hours today, tomorrow, and day after. Block it out. You'll be doing a lot of hands-on as well. Okay. And any one idea can potentially change your life. And I'll be telling you secrets. There are going to be about 5 to 7 home classworks that you're going to be doing and that you have to do and submit it to finish the bootcamp and potentially get a certificate as well. Okay. And the certificate is going to be tough. It's not going to be easy. So type T if you're ready to go through the grind. Okay, log in from a laptop, finish what you start. Most people who start, they get excited, etc., but they're going to be dropping off, right? And don't be a quitter. Finish it till the end because I'm going to be here supporting you. So it's going to go for 9 hours today, tomorrow, and day after, and make sure that you finish all of this. Perfect. Good. So this is a training for anybody who has no idea about agents, but who has not submitted any hands-on projects. So now, first thing is, irrespective of age, gender, and so lock yourself physically, mentally, and if you're ready for the 9 hours, you can stay. If you're not ready, you can drop right away. It's better to watch Netflix or Hotstar or go have some food or something with your son, daughter. It's okay. It's completely fine. Are you okay for that? So type 9 if you're committed to this. Yeah, and do not fool yourself saying, okay, I got an important phone call. There's nothing more important. My phone is on silent. My phone always is on silent, right? So finish what you start. I need everybody to type a 9. Okay, it's going to be intense and come out on top of the leaderboard. You're going to get nice prizes as well. Yes, perfect. Can't read out everybody's name, but select few people. Amit, Amod, Ananta, Aniket, Ashok. Bhanu, Chinmayan, Dupam, Kartikeyan, yes. Lingana, Mahesh, Manoharlal. Type 9 in the chat box. Yes, if you're going to be there for all the 9 hours. Seshagiri, sir. Yes. Perfect. Okay. And bonuses are going to be there towards the end. So many of you don't, so some of you don't know me. So my name is Jayant Rasamsetti. I'm the founder and chief AI engineer at pixletests. I was born in a middle class Telugu family, so I'm just like you. I don't have any super special powers. And most Telugu people, right after their sort of start walking, have to pick between engineering medicine. I chose in engineering, the former, and I was able to fulfill my parents, my first gurus, my parents, their dream, which is get into IIT Madras, and that was amazing. Not only because I had fulfilled my dream, but because I was having access to some of the greatest and the best mentors who were super passionate and hardworking. So I saw how they were able to think foundational thinking with principles and values, right? And after that, my brother, who was also my mentor, he had recommended coming to the US. So I took the GREs, aced them, and was blessed to get amazing coaches and mentors at Columbia University, and that's where I came. Worked in, and again, I had some of the most smartest, genius mentors. So I stand today on the shoulders of those giants. So type M in the chat box if you're ready to learn from that lineage, and frankly, just that humility and first principles. Yes, thank you so much. And after that, I worked at American Express because then my girlfriend, you know, she told me I can't introduce you to my father unless you have a job. So I actually took up a job at American Express, had worked there, but something was sort of I was making good amount of money, but not I was not satisfied. Every day I would come back and cry because there was no soul, there was nothing. Looking daily at trade card reports, analytics, there was nothing. So and then so I decided to quit the job and take a leap of faith, and I returned to India on 2015. The first 2 years were very a big struggle. I lost more than 30-40 lakhs of my money. I had borrowed some money from my father, and that also had lost. But again, during one of my lowest points, I stumbled on a mentor, again in a similar sort of fashion, and I upskilled. I invested all of my savings, last savings. At that time, the course was 3.8 lakhs into learning Python data science, and that changed my trajectory. It was a 6 months course on weekends, Saturday, Sunday. And after that, I got an opportunity to become an AI trainer at Simplilearn. And I was one of the lead faculties doing several batches. And after that, I did over 3,000, 4,000 trainings for them. And then I got a opportunity to work as a faculty at Great Learning. Again, did about 70, 80 trainings. I've covered Dell, Citrix, Qualcomm, BNP Paribas. It was a phenomenal opportunity. So I stand again on the shoulders of all my teachers and who had taken a bet on me. And I want to give you that same energy. And eventually I decided to start my own brand, which is called pixletests. Today we're partnered with IITM Pravartak. Again, very fortunate to be having um, partnered with a company or an institution with strong values, and again, which is also my alma mater. So thank you so much. Now you can talk a little bit about your background. I know many of you, I know many of your backgrounds, but just take about 30 seconds and type your background in this format. Okay. So I'm going to write the background. Just type, you need to type your name. Just type the city you're joining in from. So right now I'm in New York City, but originally I'm from Hyderabad. How many years of experience you have in um, education, technology? I also have had a healthcare startup, plus previously American Express, APMG. Okay, strong in Python. I could say Python, now Cloud Code, Grok, right? And building agents. And okay, and I can also write my okay. So my current, let's assume I'm currently at 5 lakh a month, and my desired is 10 lakh a month. Okay, so just write that in this format. So that is the package or income. If you're in digital coaching, you can write your income. If you're in salary, you can write your salary. If it's a company revenue, you write your company revenue. Just write whatever you are at. Current desired, um, last year growth rate. Last year growth rate was, let's say, 10% or 8%. Let's say 8% was my last year growth rate. So just write that. Okay. So let's take 30 seconds and I want to meet everybody in the room. Yes. Thank you so much, Raki. Okay. Some of the people who are typing fast. Currently working as program manager with 15 years of experience, wanted to move to a better firm. Right now at 2 lakh per month. Desired is 3 lakhs a month. Hike is about 8%. Okay. Pondicherry IT analyst, Oracle ERP, 15 plus years of experience, 25 LPA. Desired is 50 LPA. Bangalore BE graduate ECE, 12 years of experience working as a senior business analyst in healthcare company. Current salary is 21 LPA. Integrate AI agents in efficient ways and product owner role. 4 years of experience as remote worker, 35K per month, aiming to be one person with a business revenue of 1 million. In between jobs, 15% hike, intend to be more hands-on than functional. Bangalore, 20 plus years of experience in semiconductor, earning 3 lakhs a month, stock options, working in Intel, looking for a change in leadership analytics. Bangalore, 15 plus years of experience, IT finance, 1.2 lakhs a month, looking forward to learn AI. Monster.com, Bank Bazaar, Jove, BTech, Civil Engineering, 20 plus years of experience in digital marketing, rupees 1 lakh. 16 plus years of experience in income, 1.15 lakh. 17 years of experience in telecom from lower middle class, yes. ProArc, MSc, Computer Science, 17. Salary do not 80,000. If you're in between jobs, just write 0. Mumbai, 14 years of experience in software. Last year, growth rate 13%. Somebody saying own venture. Hyderabad, 19 years of experience, RF engineer and telecommunication, working with Reliance Jio, previously Ericsson. Nokia QI, current 21 LPA, desired 30 LPA. Excellent. Bangalore, 20 years of experience in IT, working with CGI, STPM, previously with CSC, current 2.5 lakh per month, 8 lakhs per month, desired. Haziriabad, 20 years of delivery experience, techno-functional leader, consultant in BFSI, previously ICICI, Infosys, ACN, 2.5 lakhs, desired 4.4 lakhs per year through business, no more corporate jobs. Perfect. I might not be able to read out everybody's names, but let me know because there are lots of participants as well, lots of backgrounds. B, mechanical engineering, 3 years of experience in data analysis, Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI. Retired person trying to make honest money without big investment, limited mobility, trying online opportunity. Perfect. Gurugram, straight, Haryana, salary 1, experience 16 plus, education, BTech, MTech, PhD, MBA. Assistant professor, field of mechanical engineering since last 26 years. 20 plus years of experience, currently 40L, need 80L. Bangalore 40L, desired 75 LPA, Deloitte 16 plus years of experience. Perfect. Retired bank officer, 33 years. I'm from Nellore. I don't have any other skills other than banking knowledge. I'm a pensioner. I wish to learn and update myself. Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, so the room diversity is huge. Room diversity is huge. Are you guys okay if we go and are actually serving everybody? Is it okay if I serve everybody? Some of you will be fast, some of you will be slow. But if you're okay with me serving everybody, type O in the chat box for okay. Yes, can't read out everybody's names, but Ajit, Akash, Amit, Ananta, Ashok. Yes, Chinman. And Gaikwad, good to see you, ma'am. Jamsheed, okay? But whatever you are, wherever you are, I'm going to support you. Make sure you top the leaderboard. There are going to be 5 tasks over the 3 days. Okay, you'll have 5 missions that will be publicly submitted. So you'll know publicly where your rank is. Nothing to hide for me. Are you okay? Type 9 in the chat box if you're ready. Okay, if you have anything, you can forget about it. And I've already charged people 15,000 rupees for this. So make sure you're getting that worth. And towards the end, the topper is going to get a special prize. Okay, there is going to be a raffle, and the topper might get a prize in the raffle to winning an Amazon, iPod, not iPod. What is the device that is in Apple for about 5,000? Earpods. How many of you are ready to win an earpods? A voucher for winning an earpods that you're going to be getting. So you're going to get a voucher towards that you can actually be using. Yes. Good to see Malini. Type 9 in the chat box if you're ready. Shraddha, good to see you. Shrikant, Siddeshwar, Satyanarayana, Satish, Sai, good to see you. Roman, good to see you. Perfect. Yeah, doesn't matter if you want to keep pace or not, just be in the flow, just be in the energy. And at least, even one idea, when you see others, how many of you are okay even seeing others do share their live work and you want to get inspired? Type 9 in the chat box. Because you need to meet only one person for maybe another opportunity or job. Okay? Perfect. No, not in the chat. I'll get you live. Whoever does it, I'll get you live. You don't need to see the chats. Okay, this is a recent community event where a lot of us has participated. So the age group of the members is between 12 to 70 years, both coding and non-coding backgrounds, BCA, MCA, BTech, BSc, right? And current profiles, there are over 5,300 plus members. Like I said, and also members represent, from Google, Netflix, Dell, Infosys, BNP Paribas, Citrix, Accenture, etc. Okay. And once again, our values are service, sincerity, passion. And we've already seen this. What is the fastest way to learn? Type in the chat box. But I'm going to repeat this. What is the fastest way to learn? Yes, many of you got it right. The fastest way to learn is not using YouTube videos, etc. Studies have shown by there's a particular study done on the third tribes, one of the ancient tribes in Africa, from where all of us have come in, that the fastest way to learn is actually indeed gamification. Okay, so when you know where your relative rank is, you will always try to go up, and no matter what the complexity of the topic is, you will learn immediately. How many of you have your children? Your children are actually, they love to play games, and video games are very, very addictive. They never bought a book on Fortnite or on Candy Crush or on Sudoku or all these. They actually started playing the game and winning the leaderboard. How many of you have seen yourself um, that you love to play maybe cards or anything, some sports, right? And the natural instinct is to win. So given a leaderboard, you will always want to top it. Type G in the Clash of Clans. Type G in the chat box if it's absolutely a no-brainer for you. Okay? Perfect. Now, your goal is to only top the leaderboard, which I had given you already, right? So type T if you're going to top the leaderboard. And today for the bootcamp also, we have a leaderboard. So you have Jairaj, Mamta, Varnika. I think right now the leaderboard has changed. There's also a topper here. So first exercise for you will be your AI career reality check, which most of you should have done. If you have not done it, type 1 in the chat box if you have not done it. How many of you have not done it? Okay, I'll give you the task once again. If you have done it, type 2 in the chat box. Okay, many of you have already done. Good. Okay, so set your vision board. That's another very, very important thing. And second is set your goal card. You will get. So once you do the AI career reality check, you are going to get on the app proper results, which is AI agents, future of automation. And all of the exercises are going to be unlocked for you step by step. So do these step by step, right? An AI agent can dash its environment, make decisions, and take dash to achieve goals. An AI agent can dash. So each fill in the blank has neat and clear options which you can actually drag and drop. Okay. And there's also in the world class app a day and a night mode that's very, very easy and can be done for you. Perfect. So, how many people are using the app that I had created? Type in the chat box a guess. 30,000. Type, take a guess. 5,000. Okay, perfect. The number of people using the app is 4,659. Yes. And so your only goal is to top the leaderboard, like I had said. So let's go ahead and work on the top of the leaderboard. And next, I have one more announcement. Type IIT in the chat box if you want to know the special announcement. Okay. For those of you who are serious, towards the end, tomorrow, I'll be giving you an opportunity to enroll into the IITM Pravartak Gold membership, which is a premium membership that you have for both for making the side income via digital coaching and for the AI certification. So type IIT in the chat box if you're serious about that only. Okay. And if you're not serious about that, then it's again, once again, my request you is to drop. Okay. I'll be telling you the certification details, but you have to attend and apply to get it. If you're not serious about that, I sincerely request you, this might not be the right place or time for you right now. Okay. So if you're serious, type IIT in the chat box and I'll be giving you an opportunity. And full disclosure, I will be requesting you to make a deposit of 20,000 tomorrow itself. The investment, many people are telling me what is the investment? The investment to the program is 2.95 lakhs. Okay, telling you upfront, and my goal is to also provide you as much value as possible upfront so that you can decision this. And we don't take in everybody, so pray that you get selected. Are you okay with me being honest and upfront? Type H in the chat box if you're okay with that. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gaikwad. Are you okay if I'm honest and upfront? Because I wanted to set the agenda right away because you might have other things as well. If you have that, that's fine. Okay. So now that I've stated the intent and the goal, so now let me serve you and fulfill my promise. I'm going to be teaching you, and you will be doing hands-on exercises as time progresses. So type IIT in the chat box if you're ready to get started. Okay, so I'm going to give you, for those of you who've not finished, those of you who finished, you can continue your exercises. I'll be giving you the link to the app scanner. Scan it and finish your career reality check right now itself. So it's going to be a QR on the screen. I'm not going to be showing it again. Type 3 if you're ready for this. Perfect. One last time, I'm going to be showing it to you. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Here you go. Here's the QR. I'm not going to be giving it to you on chat. Scan it and finish the career reality check. You have 5 minutes. I'm going to be keeping you a timer. For Raki and all, if you have done it, it's okay. If you have not, you can retake it. For those of you who have done it, if you want, you can retake it. Okay. Okay. And type your career reality score. Once you have done it, tell me your career reality check and tell me your rank. Type your score and color in the rank. Sorry, in the chat. I beg your pardon. Type your score and color on chat. No, score and color. So on the app, there should be a color. If you're less than 20, it's green. If 20 to 300, it's orange. If it's greater than 300, it's red. Oh, Ravi's rank is 195. Okay, perfect. Good. So I'm going to put a 5 minutes timer now. Type your score and rank. And your rank, once you have a rank, type your rank's color as well. Awesome. Let's get started. Perfect. Good. Let's cool. Let's get a few toppers from the batch. How many of you want to listen to the toppers? Type T in the chat box. Let's get a few toppers. Last 1 minute. Make sure you scan and tell me your career reality. Who'd like to come and share? Type M in the chat box. Let's look at the toppers right now. Okay, so next exercise is type your, so if you have done your career reality check, I'm going to be sharing that. Next, type your rank on the app and the color code. That's it. So this is another 2 minute task. Type your rank on the app as well. Yes, this is the web webinar for the Claude. That is not your rank on the app. Yeah, you have 5 minutes. Type your rank on the app. I want everybody to do it right now. Can't read out everybody's names, but select few people. Akash, Amit, Ananta. All right, Raki, let's get you on. If you're less than 20, you are in green. Let's get Raki Dua. Okay, where do I see the rank? So rank, very easy to see your rank. So when you go to learn.pixeltest.com and you log in, straight away you will see learning rank 1806. That's all. That's your rank. Okay, so what is your color? Good. So what is your color? It's literally written next to your name. Okay, let's get Raki on. Who is? How many of you want to listen to some of the toppers? Raki, I want you to unmute, get your camera on, and share your success. That's it. Raki, you need to click on the link and join as a panelist. Yeah. Who else is in the learning rank? Let's go once again. Raki, I've invited you as panelist. Okay, maybe she's busy. Later she can come in. Okay. Anybody else between 0 to 20? Manli now, 53 score red. Okay, no worries. Try to make from red to green. Move up one. From red, you go to orange. Okay. Balaji, what's your color? Durgasri, your rank is 32. Let's get Durgasri on. Let's get Durgasri on. Yes, Durgasri, let's. Perfect. Yeah. Let's get you on, unmuted.
Hi, Jayant. Hello, everyone. You're able to hear
One
me?
sec. I think I have to. Yeah. Can you hear me? Sorry. Can you guys? Yeah. Durgasri, can you?
Yeah, you're able to hear me?
Yes, able to hear you. Perfect. Let's get you. We want to meet you. Let's get your camera on. Perfect. Good to see you, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah.
Long time.
So,
Yes.
yeah, long time actually. Uh, so regarding the app, I have been doing all the activities, whatever are there here, and it's very easy to understand and learn.
Yes. Very
So
good.
step by step, even if we do some error, if we go back, then we can correct it and then understand. So it's very easy. I'm
Yeah.
not finding time to do a lot of activities. That's the reason I am still sitting at 32, but I definitely want to come up below 20.
Sorry. I was not. Yeah. Go on. Go on.
So I definitely want to come to ranks below 20.
Yes. Perfect. What's your background?
I think I am into customer service and operations.
Nice. Nice. Yeah. I remember that. Yeah. You were
Yeah,
previously.
we discussed last time. Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
I'm done with that. Okay. And you're still doing the Telugu coaching.
No, actually, stopped it in between.
That's
I'm
okay.
working on applications using Claude. I told you, right? I'm building a application for customer service.
I got it. I got it. That's your day job. No.
That's my day job. So I'm not finding time for other things. I'm
That's okay.
completely occupied with that.
Okay. Good. But
So
your niche.
I'm doing it for my company right now, but I'm planning to do something like a general platform which I can start offering to the clients for startups who can use ready-made kind of thing. They can
Okay.
just plug it in and start using it for customer service kind of thing.
Very
That's
good.
what I'm planning to do.
Okay, good, good. Amazing. Awesome. Keep thank you so much. But
Thank
previously
you.
your niche was trying to teach women how to
Uh,
make money, right?
yeah, not women. I gave it as housewives. So you said housewives will not work. Try for people who are
No,
earning. Yeah,
no, do not target housewives. You're
that's one.
forbidden to
That's what.
target housewives. No. Target
Yeah,
an Indian lady is lethal who's earning more than 1 lakh a month. Type 1 in the
yeah,
chat box, everybody agrees. Yeah, she's deadly. Housewife means by choice, she said family is first. Person who's
yeah.
earning means she can handle two contexts. She can handle family and work, which is lethal.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll pay you. Right. Okay, cool. Awesome.
Thank you.
Sure, you don't want to do Marathi?
No.
Okay. Right, good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. She's ranked 32 on the app. Everybody hit MPTY on the chat box. Yeah, if you're inspired by her, she's ranked 32 on the app. That is next level out of 5,700 people. Okay, next person. Who else is there? Anybody below 20 in the app? Let's get on. Okay, cool. So now let's get started with the most interesting session. I love this. Okay, so like I said, so about many people are focused on monthly survival. 63% of you have said that, but you want to learn continuously. Many people have expertise in only old and current technologies, and many people are actually reactive to the market. So type R in the chat box if you're reactive to the market and you're not finding time to upskill. Yes, that's one common. Perfect. So now let's open. First, I'm going to be doing a task with you, and then you will have to do the task. Okay? Are you guys ready for that? I'll show you step by step how to build something, and then you will have to build it. Okay? So first thing, what I'm going to do is, okay, first thing is, I'm going to objective is, first off, how many of you are now, how many of you actually have a live website? Type W in the chat box if you have a website. Perfect. Very good. You guys have a website. Excellent. Doesn't anybody not have a website? Type N in the chat box if you don't have a website. Okay. Okay. So in terms of our agenda, here is the 3-day hands-on agenda. Okay. So first is I'm going to get you all to do your lovable websites. Okay. Using secret methods. And after that, I'm going to make you do the same using Claude Code. Then I'm going to be focusing on Grok. And then finally, I'll be telling you how to do multi-agent workflows using Claude and Grok in the cheapest way possible. Okay? Type 3 in the chat box if you're excited about all of the agenda. This is the broad agenda, and you'll be doing submissions for each. Okay? And keep your credit cards ready. I need you to at least, the total billing will be maximum $20. Okay? No more than $20. Are you guys okay if you do it fun, fast, and economical way? Type FFE. I believe in fun, I believe in fast and economical, but right with it. So $20 is the maximum you'll have to pay because subscription tools you have to pay. And don't be cheap on your way to greatness. We have checked this. Okay. And your final submissions will be community driven. You have to post on the community section. So it will be public. You will see others and others will see you and others will grade you also in terms of likes and hearts. How many of you are okay with learning in a community? So I told you gamification is the fastest way, leaderboard is the fastest way, and community is the fastest way. You will be super motivated in a community. Trust me on that. If you go to a sports ground and you're playing soccer, you will be forced to run. How many of you are okay with that? If you simply show up in a gym every day, you'll be forced to do push-ups and pull-ups. If you simply show up to a temple, you will go and pray. How many of you are okay with that? Type FFE in the chat box if you're okay with that. Okay? And if you simply show up, let's say to a church, you'll start praying automatically. If you simply show up to, let's say, dance floor, you'll start dancing. How many of you are okay with that? Type F in the chat box. So on the fellowship, you'll have a section where you can post and everybody can see live what you have posted and others have posted, and you can work with that. So let's do the first submission as a warm-up. How many of you are ready for the first warm-up? Type W in the chat box. Okay, so challenge one is very simple. Okay, you have 100 gold coins for this. Many of you have already done this task. That's okay. If you're not, if you've done it, make enhancements to that. Okay. Step one, I will give you my lovable referral code. Please use that. Okay. Design a world-class personal website using Cloud Code inside Cloud Code and lovable. I'll give you the link to that. Right. If you've already done it, enhance it, and people will rate you. Okay, challenge 100 gold coins on the app you'll get. First person gets 99 gold coins, second person gets 98, third person gets 97, so on and so forth. And you have 21 minutes for this task using a Cloud Code and website agent. Okay, or lovable. That's the first AI tool. Steps. Log into the below link. Okay, give this prompt, publish, paste on the community, get maximum hearts. Are you okay to get this? And you have 21 minutes. So you have to, and it's public. So others will rate you, not me. Are you okay if the public is rating you for the best work on your AI right now? And everybody has the same time. Type F if it is fun, fast, and fair. Okay. I will do this task first for you. Okay. In front of you. And then you. Okay. So I'm going to go to Lovable. How many of you want the Lovable referral link? Type L in the chat box. If you have not made any account on Lovable, and if you want my link, type L in the chat box. I'll give it to you one last time. Okay. Here's the link for everybody. Okay. Don't do it. Watch me do it first. Okay. Don't do it. Watch me do it. So first off, I'm going to go to Lovable on that and use my referral link. Okay. Second, so I've used my referral link and I'm signing up, and I'm going to sign up with Google. Sign up with Google, and okay. So once I sign up with Google here, give me 1 second. Okay, now I signed up with Google, and then I'm going to be now. I'm already inside my Lovable. Okay, now these are some of my older projects. I will simply go to a new project, and I will say, build me a personal website using my resume and the 3 attached photos I have given. Okay, you have to upload your resume and any 1 or 2 photos, even 3 photos is fine. Okay, that's it. My goal is A, to build. so that hiring managers and recruiters can hire me. This is my secondary goal. And second is I am a digital coach building communities where coaches can launch themselves. Okay, this is my niche. You insert your niche. Insert your niche. If you don't have a niche, find a niche and insert it. Okay, don't do a dummy one. Whatever you're passionate about teaching, just put it. Okay, right now, just keep this. We can do this after this. Okay, can hire me. So this is your goal right now. Okay, if everybody is clear with this, type A in the chat box. So I'm going to do plan and I'm going to click on plan right now. And then the chatbot, the website agent is just simply going to start building it. Okay, so everybody can see this. Type 1 in the chat box if you're okay with this. Okay, now it will ask me, make sure you put it in planning mode. It will ask me to actually upload the resume. So I'm going to drag and drop my resume and I'm going to upload one photo of mine. So let me see a resume I have. I don't see resume or the 3 photos attached. So I'm going to go ahead and put my resume. Okay, so I have my resume here. I put my resume here and my photo also I'm going to be putting. Yeah, so now you're going to get this and you have to do this with, have you done the terminal? If you do this, enhance your website, Raki. So let me get a nice photo. So here are a few photos of mine. Let me take this guy. I'll download this guy. Then let me take this guy. And 3 photos I've uploaded. Okay, so I'm going to upload these 3 photos right now, and I'm going to go back. So let me upload the photos here. Yeah, I've uploaded these photos. Now I'm going to say plan. Okay. I want all of these. And now I uploaded my photos and it's going to start working. How many of you are ready to see this? Type N and which visual connection this fine. Submit. Lovable is working. Okay. So how many of you want to see the output? Type O in the chat box if you want to see my output. So I had already done this before this section. So I'm going to be now showing you what was my output. I did this before. Let me get that link. Yeah. So it's building it right now. So let's see my output in a quick second. Okay, so it's rendering. Let's take about 5 minutes. It's going to be building this. So meanwhile, you can get started. I'm going to be giving you the prompt in the app, and you can get started here. It's building it, so it'll take some time. All right. Okay. So I have kept the prompt here. You can go ahead and do it. So your time starts now. Okay. So I'm going to put a 21-minute timer. The topper gets 100 gold coins. All right. Your time starts now. Let's go for it. How many of you ready? Type T and okay, one sec. Before you start, here's my output. By the way, here's my output. How many of you like this? This is my output. AI builder, developer, advocate, educated to 26,000, 26,000 members. What I've built, blah, blah, blah. Production agents, ship solo, stack I ship with, hire for developer. Yeah. And it also says experience, builds, connect. And I've published this. Here's the published link. And write your name and publish it. So put it as Jayant Rasim Sethi and publish it on the top right. You'll get your name and it'll get published. So it's published. So my link is done. So you guys have to do it now. I've kept the prompt and here's the output. And whoever gets the best prompt, they get the most marks. Okay. If you've done this, submit it again here. How to access community. So you have to go on the top left and there's a community. If you have already done it, paste your previous link here. Amazing, Ravi. You need to publish it on community. Without community, you won't get points. Somebody else will go. You have to figure out and post it on community. Yes, we got our first submissions. At any point, if you're stuck, use the Ask Compass. Ask Compass is a chat that I have built, and you can ask it any question that you want. Last 9 minutes. And those who have already done this, make sure you submit it on the submit your chat here, your link, and keep the link proper. Great. Dupam. Make sure you submit on the community. No, Dupam, your submission is not acceptable because it's not. I'm not able to see it. Yes, I love. Raki, make sure you submit to the community. If you can't find community, use the compass. There's a compass section in the app. Nope, community is not blocked. Posting might not be. You have to reply to my comment. You have to reply to the comment and read the instructions there, Raki. You can only post a new post if there, yeah, you can reply to my comment. Yes, Balaji has done it perfectly with instructions. My God, thank you so much. We got the first person. How many of you want me to get Balaji? Type B in the chat box. Type B if you want to get me Balaji on. Let's get on Balaji. Balaji, I'm making you panelist. That's okay. Balaji has posted successfully. Let's get him on. Let's get Balaji on. Share your success. It will inspire the community. That's okay. No problem. But you need a personal website, right? Okay, no worries. Oh, 5 people have posted. Neelam, yes, Neelam is done, Raki has done, and Ravi has done. Perfect, brilliant. Let's get Ravi. Ravi, let's get you on and you can share your success. Yes, let's get you on. Perfect. Hi, Ravi. Good to see you.
Hi, Jay. Good
Yes.
evening.
Congratulations. You submitted on time, ahead of time. Others. Oh, okay.
Thank
Perfect.
you.
Thank you. Perfect. Good. How do you feel? Let's go through your resume.
I feel superb. I never I created a Weebly site long ago, but I never created my own resume kind of in any of the website.
Wow.
So idea itself is very great.
Yes. Perfect. I built a high performing engineering and modernized critical. Yes. Perfect. I combine deep software. Perfect. Very good. Acharya Nagarjuna. Very good. Excellent. Selected roles, senior technical. Okay. Senior Java programs I'm proud of, enterprise, what I bring to the table. Okay, perfect. Awesome. So you have this experience, skills, and contact. Oh, excellent. How long did
This
it take
looks
you?
great for me.
Yes. How long did this take you?
It took around 3-4 minutes.
3-4 minutes. Perfect. Good. Awesome. Congratulations. Everybody hit MPTY for Ravindra, who has submitted it and on time, ahead of time. No, and he didn't even ask a single question. No questions asked. Perfect. Okay. So how many of you now you have the site? Let's give 28 seconds. Okay. What is the importance, first off? Why are we doing this? How many of you want to know why are we doing this? Amit, let's get you here. Amit, your app is not submitted. Yes. So do Basraj, you have to submit on the section. You have to submit on the respond to the section. Amit is finished. JB Shankar is finished. Wow, that's amazing. Let's get on Amit. Yes, Amit sir, let's get you on. Promoting you to panelist. Yes, Amit sir, let's go. Guys, keep your cameras ready and work with Zoom. Because we are an online training environment, you got to move fast. And yes, thank you so much, Amit sir, for coming.
Not a problem, sir. Good evening.
Good
I have
evening.
submitted. I
Yes.
have submitted that website using Lovable
Very
and
good.
writing
Yeah.
that. Are you able to see that?
Nee, the thing is, it's not having I don't think you published it. No global project found at this address. Just
Well,
publish. Get it
just
back.
just a second, sir.
No problem. Oh, I think it's ID healer. Both of them are gone. No problem. You take your time, you fix this, I'll get you back.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
It is almost done. Guys, you have to submit the correct one. Yes, you can even edit data in this site. How to submit? You got to submit here. You got to go to community and submit. You have to go at community and reply to my post. That's it. Let's get the next person on. JB Shaker. Yes. Balendu, let's get you on, sir. Let's get you on. Yes, Balendu. Let's go for it, sir. Perfect. Yeah, we can hear you and see you.
Hello. Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, I'm really excited actually. So
Yeah.
it was pretty easy and it looked very, I mean, very vibrant colors and all those things.
Vibrant colors.
I felt like I felt like, is it my resume, my web page, or some others?
Yes.
So thanks for this experience.
No problem. Yeah. Great resume. Toward AI agent engineering from GSM test drives. Perfect. Brilliant. You have an about section. You have experience section. You have skills. Amazing. Consistent recognition. Perfect. Education. Wow, looks amazing. And contact us is also there. Done.
Thank you.
Amazing. How do you feel?
Yeah. I told you, we're a little excited, and it took time for me to get into it.
No problem.
I prompted for twice, a few corrections and all.
That's it.
So
No problem. You
it
got
was
it.
quite easy overall.
How much time,
Thank you for this. Sorry?
how much time did you take?
Uh, Around 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
Very nice. Amazing. And why invest in AI and upskill right now, not later?
Actually, I tried before also, but due to some concerns physically and all those stuff, I met an accident, so I dropped it around. Uh, so I was looking for this opportunity, so I grabbed it. That's all. So,
Yes. No, but why invest
but
in
I know.
why not later?
I think it's the right time now. I feel
Uh,
now or never. I feel
now or
that way.
okay. Why is the right time now?
Uh, in all aspects, currently I'm ready for it. So
Hmm. Okay. Good.
that's the thing.
Awesome.
Mentally, physically, financially, and all. So
Nice. Good. Amazing. Thank you so much. Perfect.
thank
So
you, thank you.
everybody for Palendu who has finished it and who has submitted. And he's not asked a single question. No questions asked. Just calmly did all the work. Okay. So on the community, you have to go and submit it here. Okay. Oh my God, Shraddha is finished. Perfect. Let's get Shraddha, my mom. Shraddha, let's get you on. Really nice website. Very proud. She put 2, 3 photos of hers also. But a builder mentor. Where I go deep, leadership, news of tomorrow. Nice, very nice. Let's get Shraddha. Shraddha, are you there? Oh my God, I got 10 submissions. Perfect. Amit, your site is still not connected. Okay, cool. So now let's look at the why. Now that you have done it, let's look at the why. Okay. Now, many of you have done this task. The reason why we are doing this task is very easy. Okay, so in your notes, write IPA/IRA. In your notes, and once you're finished writing it, type 2 in the chat box. Type 2 in the chat box if you have finished it. Income producing and income reducing assets. So now, what is an asset? Anything that grows money on time, right? Income producing asset, income, so, or neutral assets. Then, now, resume, your resume, is it income producing or income reducing? Type 1 if you believe if it's 1, or 2 type if it is in the neutral zone. Your resume, is it income reducing or meaning neutral or income producing? If you look at it, your resume actually doesn't produce any asset. It's nothing. It's in 2. Type B if it was a bulb on moment for you. But an online resume, is it income producing or income reducing? Type 1 if you believe an online resume. So physical resume or PDF resume or whatever, docx resume, all are in neutral category. They are in 2. But a online resume or a site, type 1 or 2, which category does it come to? An online resume is in 1. So type B if it was a bulb on moment for you. Why? The value of that site keeps increasing as time progresses. And you only need 1 phone call. You can get only 1, and you already have a contact us section. You only need 1 because anybody can reach out to you. Now, do you know the importance of online resumes or online portals or a branded website for yourself? Type 1 in the chat box if you're absolutely clear about that. Yes. So you need to build assets, not income reducing assets or neutral assets, which don't do anything. So the more assets you have, the more time you will be actually successful on that. Okay, perfect. Good. So now that we have done, and now you already built an asset. How many of you have built an asset for yourself? Type A in the chat box. Very good. Okay. You have built an asset for yourself. Perfect. Now, next, what we're going to do is the next challenge. You're going to do the same task on Claude Code. Okay. You're going to do the same task, but there will be 2 variations here. Now, I don't have a referral link for this, but you'll be doing the same task. Redesign your current resume on Claude design using Claude. And redesign your site mockups using Claude. Okay. And the advanced task. So this you get 200 points if you're using Claude. Is everybody clear about this? Now I'm going to show you this. Make a simple presentation about yourself using Claude presentation and redesign your site mockups using Claude. So I'm going to do the same. Okay. So type 200 if you're clear about the task. Type 200 if you're clear. I'm going to redesign my site using Claude Design, and I'm going to redesign your current resume, which you have, using Claude, and I'm going to make a simple presentation about yourself using Claude presentation, and I'm going to redesign the resume. Actually, presentation, we can skip this. Okay, redesign your site using mockups using Claude. Okay, and then I'm going to give you the bonus task. Bonus is optional. So this is the beginner task, and this will be the advanced task. The advanced task also has 200 points. Connect Lovable with Cloud Code on terminal. Make a simple change. Let's see. We'll do this next. Okay. Okay. So let's do the basic task, the beginner task. Design your personal website using Claude Design. So I'm going to go to Claude. Yes, I'm going to be doing this. Now I'm going to go to Claude and I'm going to say new chat. It's on new chat. I'm going to say, can you please? So I'm going to go then to design. So I go to Claude Design and I'm going to say, please design a website using my resume and 3 photos. Same 3 photos, same website I'm going to be doing. So let me get this thing back. So I have added my photos. My 3 photos I added. And let me get my resume. So I put my resume back here. Okay. So now the model, make sure the model is Fable 5. Keep the best model here. So I put Fable 5. So I'm going to say use Fable 5. For if you don't have the $20 connection, just take the cheaper model. You don't have to purchase Claude for this. Just take the cheaper model if you're doing this. Okay. So now I'm going to be publishing this. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. So this is going to be building right now. You have 21 minutes for this. Okay. And I'm going to be pushing this on the community. Claude is asking for plan upgrade to use design. You'll have to pay for Claude then. How much is it asking? Is it asking 20? Yeah, Pro should be 20, right? 17. Yeah, 17 you should be able to pay. Okay. So I'm going to be giving you the prompt here. Primary goal of the site, land a developable job in New York City. Yes. Who's the main audience? Hiring managers. Site structure, single scroll, multi-scroll with sticky nav, still one page, multiple pages. Decide for me. What sections to include? Hero, AI agents, experience. Tone of the copy punchy. That's fine. Okay. Main call to action, contact me. Who should use the photos? Include a downloadable resume. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Contact email to show j at just say jr3281 at okay. Want design variations? Let's do Noctune. Okay, so I've done this on Claude. Okay, now it's doing this. So Claude is going to make this. So I posted it. Let me give you the prompt. Yeah, you'll have to hustle and get it. So your time starts now. I put 15 minutes timer. All right, so let's get started. So here is my Claude output. I build AI agents in public, self-taught. People do the same. Okay, compare both the outputs. So now I'm going to share it and copy the link. Check with Claude only. Yes, we have our first winner. Let's get on Rakhi. She has finished it in Claude Design. Rakhi, you have done it. Let's get you on. Rakhi Dua.
Sir, I've done it.
Yes, let's get your camera on.
Okay. There is some issue in the camera, sir, but I've done it.
You are so much of a coder. Zoom, you're not able to figure out.
I don't think so. Let me join via phone and let me check. Wait.
Keep the other device on and I'll get you back on. Okay. Rakhi has some.
Okay.
Perfect. Very good. Hurry up. Let's get the second or third person in. Can't call out everybody's names, but Ajit, Ashok, Banu, Kumar. So Rakhi has finished it. Let's get Rakhi and Amit as well. Yes, good to see.
Yes,
Rank.
sir. I
Finally.
have done it, sir.
Yes, let's get her on. Okay. First time using Claude Design?
No, I'm using it earlier also.
When did you use Claude Design?
Actually, I'm just making games via this cloud designing, websites, games, everything.
Nice, nice. Excellent. Okay, cool. But the first time you made your own resume?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. Excellent. How do you feel? What is the difference?
It's a nice experience because Claude is providing better output as compared to other AI platforms.
Okay,
I would say.
okay,
It's a
good.
nice platform.
Yes, and also you're rank 4 totally right now. How much time are you spending on the app?
Earlier, I was spending 2-3 hours, but nowadays, 30 minutes, 45 minutes.
30-40 minutes daily. What's your background? Please share with everybody.
I did my BTech in electronics and communication engineering. I did my MTech also in electronics,
Nice.
and I did my MBA also and PhD in interior designing.
Why so such few degrees you have? What come in? Only 4 degrees. Okay, good. Where are you based out of?
Pardon, sir?
Where are you based out of?
I'm residing in Gurgaon.
Very nice. Excellent. Awesome. Congratulations. And thank you
Thank
so much.
you.
Why invest time, resources, money in AI right now, not later?
Because I want to upskill myself and I just want hike in my salary also.
Okay, good. But why not later? Why now?
Because it's the peak time to learn AI.
Okay, big time to learn
That's
AI.
it.
Thank you so much. Amazing.
Thank
Good to see you, ma'am. Always great smile,
Thank you.
great energy. Yes. Perfect. Let's get on the next gentleman. How many of you are super inspired by Raki? Type MPTY in the chat box. Let's get Amit sir. Amit Roman Srivastava. Yes, let's get you on. I see you are the second submission. Yes, you can share your, you can turn on your camera and audio, sir. Yes, let's get you on. First time using Claude Design?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
How do you feel, Amit sir?
I haven't seen much of AI, sir. It's only after joining your this course I'm looking at AI. Yes.
Okay. What are the aspects you found different from Lovable and Claude Design?
I think Lovable seems to me a little technical. But I haven't seen much of UI. Still, I can see that prompt in Claude is working very fine. But there, I think there must be some limitations with Claude. I need to look at
Yeah.
both them.
Perfect. Brilliant. Excellent. How long did this, so you're non-technical, how long did this take you?
Uh, I mean, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. No, you must be joking. You must be lying. You must have worked on it. It can't be 5 minutes.
No, 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 no. It's just 5 minutes on working with Claude.
Very good. Brilliant. Okay. This looks excellent. Amit Srivastava, karmic healing and physics educator. Perfect. Brilliant.
Uh,
Oh,
By
yes.
the way, I have designed quite a few websites in my career as well. There is a huge difference in the time taken. Earlier, while coding manually, it take lot of time.
Yeah. Yeah.
So by using this, leveraging the AI technology, we can do it in the matter of few minutes.
Yes. Few minutes. Perfect. Brilliant. Thank you so much. How many of you are super inspired? Why invest in AI right now, not later?
Because I think this is the time where we can take the advantage of the AI and we can establish ourselves in market. So I think this is the right time to leverage the technology that AI is giving.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank
Everybody
you.
type PTY for Amit sir, who's taken action, who's come here and who is actually doing it really well. How many of you are super inspired by him as well? Type MPTY in the chat box. Yes. Perfect. Guys, push yourself. Every ounce of your body is going to resist. I don't have a credit card. I have oil on my hair. Current has gone. People are doing it live. So get out of that and do it right now. Don't keep listening. This is not Netflix. How many of you are inspired by others? Type MPTY in the chat box. Community gamification is the fastest way to learn anything complicated. Anything. Okay. So type I in the chat box if you're genuinely inspired. And these are public links. You can go and see for yourself. Okay. And be in the energy. Let's also look at Rakhi ma'am's Claude design sites. So engineering minds radiating ideas seems very nice. Colors are great. Rakhi, you have to upload more photos of yourself. PhD electromagnetic, areas of work, experience. Oh, she put photos of herself. Yeah, excellent. These are very good photos. Yeah, put a contact us button also. In general, women, you be careful about phone number. Don't give phone number on public side. Okay. And downloadable button for your resume also you have to keep later. Okay, cool. How many submissions are there? Last 3 minutes, guys. Let's hurry up for this. Ravi, have you finished? Proceed to the next section without this. You have to beg, borrow, buy, steal, get. $17 is not going to change your game. If others are doing it, you can do it, right? There is no next section. You lose motivation. It'll be over. Oh my God, Shraddha, you have done it. Shraddha, where did you post it? No, you posted it in the wrong place. Listen to the instructions and follow them, please. That was the second task. You posted it in the older task. But anyway, let's get on, Shraddha. Your project is not found. You didn't share the right link. Please share the correct link. Let's get you on, Shraddha. Shraddha, I'm promoting you to panelist. And let's also get some of the previous members who've done the task from before. Yes, Shraddha, the link is not published. You have to make it a publicly shareable list. I promoted you to panelist so you can come in and share. Yes, let's get our beloved Shraddha Tiwari ji. Camera on, share. Oh my God.
Yeah.
In one shot, you
Hello.
share.
Hi.
Shyness, nothing. Very good. Excellent. Good to see you back. First time using Claude Design?
Yes.
No, you did so fast. How long did it take you?
Actually, Cloud Code already I have used. So, but design,
This is design, Claude Design.
yeah. But design I didn't use. Today I have used this first time.
Very good. Brilliant. How long did it take you?
Pardon?
How long did it take you?
I think in designing and providing all options, I think 10 to 15 minutes. And
Very good. Excellent. But we are not able to see your submission because I think the permissions are not set.
actually, I was trying to publish this, but picture was not uploaded properly, means not taken properly. So again, I'm publishing this.
No, okay. What is the difference between Claude design and Lovable?
Uh, Actually, in Claude Design, you can download this as a JPG in different formats, and I I think in Lovable we can make as a live app, and
Okay.
in Claude there is one more option, yeah, like this. You can download as a HTML, PDF, PPT like this,
Very good. Brilliant.
and technically I have to do some more research.
Okay. And you are on the pro plan of Claude, correct?
Yes, actually, I have taken for 1 month. Means
Okay, good.
I
Very
have
good.
purchased. Yeah.
Why you should do everything for free? Why did you purchase?
Uh, actually, I was doing some automation project, so in this need to purchase this, so I have purchased this.
नहीं पर फ्री वीडियोस फ्री से वो काम होगा ना.
नहीं, वो नहीं हो रहा था, मतलब उससे नहीं हो रहा था बिना परचेज किए.
Okay, good. Why invest in AI time, resources, serious money now, not later?
Yeah, everywhere, everyone is using AI. मतलब in each company's Claude and everything is मतलब is every person is using. So every tool is using in different ways. So it's high time to use this.
High time to invest in it. Perfect. And
Yeah.
can you show your backend to everybody?
Your voice not
Sorry,
coming properly.
with everybody your background a little bit.
एक बार फिर से मुझे नहीं समझ में आया.
Can
मतलब
you,
आवाज.
yeah, sorry, can you share your background?
अच्छा, background. Just 1 minute. Background means मतलब IT background. I'm from IT background. Development and means the team handling in PHP, Drupal, WordPress. Now from 3 to 4 years into AI, Python,
Hmm.
training, Python, MySQL, data science. Now AI agents, automation, like
Yes.
this.
Okay, good. Excellent. Awesome. And how much did you earn in digital coaching so far?
Not much more now because some family issue, due to family issue, I am unable to continue properly. But some classes I am taking for Python, MySQL, like this.
Overall, how much did you earn?
Um, Overall, all means 60 to 70. Means previously 50 to 60,000, and here, yeah,
Perfect.
some.
70,000. Good, good. How many of you are inspired by Shraddha ma'am? Type MPTY in the chat box. More power to Shraddha G. She finished the task and she finished the submission right now. Yes. And she's also a gold member, resident gold member, as is Raki. Raki is also a gold member who's doing this as well. Perfect. So use Claude Design and you'll be actually. Oh, we have one more submission. Neelam, that is a wrong submission. I can't accept that. Let's take some of the older members who have submitted. Um, Amit Gaurav, let's get you on. Amit. Amit, I know you finished the previous task, so I just want to get you for that. I promoted you to panelist, so please come in. It will allow you to publish, Neelam. You have to check with Claude any of the others. Amit calling you once or twice. There's a promote to panelist button there, so you have to accept that. And let's get Satyanarayana. So I'm going to try it again. You have to accept as a panelist. Perfect. And let's get Satyanarayana Kesava. I don't know what name you're registered with because I've seen that you've done the task. Okay, no problem. Amit's declined to. Satyanarayana Kesava. Can you tell me your name on the chat? If you're here, type yes in the chat box. Okay, so now that we have done this task, how many of you want to go to the next task? Type N in the chat box. Muhammad. All right, so now we're going to do the next task. How many of you are ready for the next task? Type N in the chat box. By the way, so Aniket, have you done it? Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go back to Lovable and I'm going to make a few changes. And I'm going to make some additional prompts there. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to go back here to my slides. And I'm going to go here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is So you see how easy. How many of you are convinced it is to actually create software now? How many of you are ready? How many of you agree that now it's super easy? Type 1 in the chat box. That's actually very, very easy now to create software, etc. Now, my assumption is, given that the cost of software is going to come down, the cost of content is coming down because everything is now AI generated. AI is generating everything, right? Type 2 in the chat box if you agree with me on this. Everybody type 2 in the chat box if you're absolutely clear about this. Yes. So software is, the cost is coming down because of, everything is done by AI or the AI agents. Now you've seen 2, Cloud Code, and this is going to be very easy. Okay. Content cost is coming down because content and cost. Okay. So type 2 in the chat box if you're absolutely clear about this. Good. Now my reasoning is, so if these are becoming more and more less expensive, the only thing that will keep the value of live will increase. Because how many of you agree being live here is absolutely correct? So live is going to increase in value. So type L in the chat box if you're in agreement with me on this. And one of the best and the fastest ways to actually give a fair shot to live is via I believe, building small communities. Can anybody tell me how to build small communities? What is the answer for live? Type in the chat box. Now I'll tell you a chat box. Okay. So first thing, if you have active income, that means you need to invest time every day, like go to office, go to work, etc., to get money. Now, what is passive income? You don't have to invest time, but you will keep getting money. You'll keep earning. So how many of you want to have passive income of at least 50,000 a month? Type 5 in the chat box. Yes, because there can be a time when you're sick, or if your office lays you off, or whatever. Sometimes you become any personal reason, professional reason, right? But you need passive income. So if you combine both of this, how many of you want to know the answer for both of this? I believe the answer lies in building small digital communities, right? And that, I believe, is the easiest and the oldest way, is literally like this, is digital coaching. Type C in the chat box if you had a bulb on moment. Like this. This is live. There are many participants and it's digital coaching and it's one-to-many. So if I have a small batch of 20 students who pay me 4,999. So let's look at this. Level 1, I have 20 students of 4,999. I earn 80,000. And level 2, 2 students of that will pay me 19,000, and that becomes 40,000. And level 3, at least 1 or 2 students will pay me, depending on whatever topic you have, they'll pay me 2 lakhs. Or let's say 1.5 lakh. That becomes 3 lakhs. So rupees, how much did I collect? Rupees 4.2. Are you guys okay with this number per month? Potentially. Type 4 if you're okay with this. Type 4 if you're okay with this. Perfect. So now 22 and 2. These are the students that you want. Okay. Now, how much is the time for delivery? You only have to do one session. So if you fill a batch with 20 students, or if you fill a batch with 15 students, or if you fill a batch with 10 students, or even if you fill a batch with 5 students, how much time are you spending? Is the time going to be more or same? Every week. Weekly, you're only doing 2 hours of lectures. 2 hours classes per week. Type 2 in the chat box if this makes sense to you. It's going to be the same. Even if I have 5 students, 6 students, 7 students, 8 students, 9 students, 10 students, it's going to be the 2. Even if I have 11 students, same. 12 students, same. Does it change if I have 25 students? Yes or no? Type in the chat box, guys. Type in the chat box if the number of hours of classes are changing every week. Yes or no? It does not change. Okay. So really, it's the same time. The number of hours really doesn't change. Okay. Good. So now let's go back to building this. How many of you are okay building this using AI? Type AI in the chat box. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making a few prompts. Okay, so first I'm going to go to the app and I'm going to go back to my section where I'm going to be doing my niche. In case you don't have a niche, just follow this process. In about 3 seconds, 60 seconds, you'll find your niche. So go to skill development and say 3-day bootcamp. And here, the second exercise is here. Find your niche, coaching niche. If you have done this, great. If you have not, no problem. So I help working. Okay, let me try this. So, who do you understand best? Working moms, job seekers, rural youth, women returning to work, small business owners, students, seniors, or people like my old self. So, I don't pick students. Students is usually a tough topic. So, I will say, yeah, people like my old self. What problem do they have? Survived jobs, recovered from health crisis, climbed out, made a scary career, overcame anxiety or burnout, started over and rebuilt life. Uh, let's say survived job loss. What can you teach them? A skill I can use at work, something I learned the hard way, a daily habit, language, tools, how to earn from income, mindset, and confidence. A daily habit I mastered. Okay, so that's it. This is my niche. Okay, now how many of you can do this exercise right now and type D if you have done this task? Now I'm going to finish this and go to my task, which is I will go and build out a chatbot for my students. So let me go to Lovable and do this. So I'm going to go to Lovable. And I'm going to say, please build a for my students My niche is AI digital coaching and building small community. So I know this is my niche. I don't want to use the niche that was given in the AI. Okay. If the okay, the coach is then study. Insert your name here. Okay. So I'm going to plan it and build a chatbot. The UI UX must look really good and world class. Okay, so I've done this. Now the chatbot is going to get built. So here is the prompt. Please go ahead and build this chatbot for your students on Lovable. Okay, so let's go back and make sure you have your, and if you don't have a niche, just take something that is you're really passionate and good. So new coach route is be fine. Yeah, just a simple one is fine. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing this. Next, let me, okay, let me put this on the community. Okay, I pasted this. You have 21 minutes. Let's go for it, guys. You have 21 minutes. Let's go for it. Okay, let me put the timer. Yeah, I pasted the prompt in the community. Don't write my name. You will get 0 points and all the points will go if you write my name. Don't copy paste, use your own. All right, good. Let's see how many people are finished. Whoa, I have 4 people who finished the chatbots. Perfect. Thank you so much. Let's get each person in. Neelam, you haven't finished it. Let's get Amit, sir. Amit, let's get. All right, I have 4 people. Let's get Amit. Let's promote you to panelist. I promoted you to panelist. Yes, let's get you on. Yes, please share. Yeah, you're on mute. Yes, now you can share. Whoa, this is nice.
On the topmost, there is a Ask AI chatbot. Yeah.
Nice. Perfect, done. Foundation 3,000, practitioner 12,000, mastery 70,000. Amazing, brilliant.
Yeah. Even we can ask some generic questions like how can you reduce your BP, your weight, lifestyle management kind of problems.
Yeah. Perfect, good. Excellent. First time building a chatbot online?
Yes, yes.
Okay, how do you feel?
I'm feeling good, sir.
Yes.
It's just it's possible because of you only.
This is action.
So a lot of things I come to know, from last 2 to 3 days.
Very good. Brilliant. And how long did this take you?
Not much time. I think again 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes. Perfect. Good. And it's a powerful chatbot. And now you can share with your friends, family also. And
Yeah.
course you want to genuinely build here?
Yeah. What's it?
Which
Come back.
course you want to genuinely build here?
I think healing space.
Healing space.
I'm trying to healing space.
I think after the 2 deaths, you've been very like in that space, I guess. Yes, perfect. Very good. That's a good cause. Good cause. It will help out a lot of genuine people. Amazing. And why invest in AI now, not later?
Because if I can give my work to AI, then I can think of the growth in business. Like
Yeah.
I can work on the business drivers rather than working on the technology and other things because it will all be taken care by the AI.
Brilliant.
So we can think about the revenue part. We can think about the lead generation and
Yes.
other things. Yes.
Brilliant. Okay. And why now, not later?
Because it will avoid this time run cost overrun phenomena. I think it will reduce drastically because the more I will spend time in building these kind of things, it will be a added cost to the company.
Brilliant. Amazing. Thank you so much, everybody. That was Amit Roman Srivastava. Everybody hit MPTY. If you are super inspired by his work, he's trying to get into the healing space, which is amazing. Right? And so type MPTY in the chat box. Perfect. Thank you. Super inspiring. Now let's take the next person. Guys, if you don't take action, it's not going to happen. Overcome every obstacle. I'm not in the mood. I don't have credit card. This thing, beg, borrow, steal, buy, do whatever it takes. Get the task done. Are you okay if I push you? Type P in the chat box if you're okay, if I hold you to your highest standard. It is criminal to waste time. Don't waste time. Okay? You're in a war. Get into war zone. Get into surgical stone, not nursing zone. If so many people are doing it, you should do it, right? Let's take the next person. Oh my God, Ravindra sir, you've done it. Let's get you on. Ravindra B, let's get amazing. Brilliant. Let's promote you to panelist. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much for coming. How are you feeling, Ravindra sir?
Feeling great. Thank you so much. And yeah, it is definitely first bot for me. And then I'm super thrilled to see how soon, how quickly it can get generated.
Thank you. Amazing. And was this the first time you ever developed like a chatbot using agents or web?
I I saw people developing, but I never did it myself. But this is the first time.
Okay. How do you feel? I mean, how long did it take you?
It has taken around 12 to 13 minutes, maybe less than 15 minutes.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Is it?
it has taken around that time only. It did not take so much time.
Yeah, okay. You sure you didn't spend 3 hours, 4 hours, 10 hours, one full?
Definitely not. It is less than 15 minutes.
Very good. Excellent. And can you tell us a little bit about your background?
I am also from a rural background where my upbringing is very a little challenging. But however, I have been in IT industry about 20 plus years, and I am in a relatively good position as a TPM. But I am not satisfied though there. I am eagerly looking for something which can make me fulfill my long run dream.
Mhm.
Maybe AI is the way where I will be able to fulfill my entrepreneurial dreams from my childhood.
Nice, nice. Very good. Excellent. And what are the two things you loved in me, in us, that you're taking action into AI and all of the modules?
One thing I liked is the way you are handling it in a gamification. One thing I did not like about me is I could not get a credit card today and then get cloud app running there. So I'll get it done tomorrow. I'll see what can be done. But that is one thing I did not like.
That's okay. That's the first point. First point, you like gamification. Second point?
Second mind, I like the way how you are pushing and making people competitive within the group. Healthy competition.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Amazing. And why invest and take action in AI now, not later?
If not now, day will never come. I am not 25 years old. I am 45 now, so I have to take action right now. Otherwise, I will feel just sorry. And I feel AI came for me only.
Nice, nice, amazing. Brilliant.
I have a lot of pending dreams which to be fulfilled. So I think AI will help me.
Yes, perfect. AI coaching from Ravindra B. Yes, very good. Start chatting. So let's look at your chatbot. Let's see what. Oh, you've already made a Google connection. Let me make an account. Let me log in.
You can use Gmail itself.
Yeah, yeah. I log in through Gmail. Oh, wow, this looks really good. What was your prompt?
I have used the same prompt only.
Oh, wow. No, no, but you have to write your prompt. So this is not a valid submission. You have to write your coach this thing. Okay. Okay, so it's working. Great. Awesome. Cool. Thank you so much for the
Thank you
submission.
so much.
You have to change the prompt. You can't use the same prompt.
Sure.
Okay. So what are you planning to teach?
I'm planning to teach leadership skills.
That's great market. Great market. Leadership skills using AI, you can say. How to become a better leader. That's a good market. You'll get great. In English, or what is your native language?
I am from Andhra.
Telugu. You can acquire customers in Telugu. They'll pay you. Telugu people also invest in education.
Yeah. We invest a lot in education. I would have also invested every year some amount in various trainings.
Good. Yeah. So that's a good market. So change that fast and resubmit it. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Perfect. Let's take the next person. How many of you are super inspired by Ravi? Type MPTY in the chat box. Yes. So he is trying to help leaders. Good. Let's take the next person. Let's take Aniket. Aniket, are you there? Let's get you on. I think Aniket is not available. Wow, this looks really good. How many of you are inspired by Aniket's site? Type A in the chat box. And the chatbot. I don't know where the chatbot is. Perfect, good. So with that, what I want you to do is I want you to fill the gold application form. Okay, fill the gold application form and pray that you get selected. We take very, very few people. So how many of you want the form for the IIT? Type IIT in the chat box and I'll give it to you right now. So here is the form. Type done once you're done filling the form. Yeah. So here's the form. Just fill it up to your best ability and type done once you're done filling the gold application form. Ajit, Banu, Gyan, Manish, Mohammed, Neelam, Ravi, Amit, Satish, Ganesh. Yeah, type IIT in the chat box once you're done filling the form. I pasted the form in the chat. Please fill that and type done in the IIT in the chat box. Last 3 minutes, please fill the form, application form. Last 4 minutes, 17 seconds. Oh, 3 minutes, 32 seconds. Fill the application form fast. Yeah, if you don't have, just put your best LinkedIn link. If you don't have a LinkedIn link, that's okay. Just put a LinkedIn link. Last 60 seconds, 65 seconds, guys. Last 65 seconds, fill the form and type IIT in the chat box once it's done. Thank you so much for everybody for filling the form. I've had 29 applications, many. Bharani, Varma, Sudhir, Lekha, thank you so much. Kiran, Lanka Praveen, Prashad Ghat, Meena Kumari, KVL Tech, Muhammad Alam, thank you so much for filling the form. Seshagiri, let's take 1 more minute for filling the form. Hurry up, guys. Ajit, Bhanu, Gyan Singh, Manish, Mohammed, Ravi, waiting for you to fill the form. Don't write 2 long answers, just write a genuine answer and that's it. Hurry up, guys. Perfect. So day 2, what we're going to do day 2 is we are going to be actually deep diving into these. How many of you enjoyed day 1? Type 1 if you absolutely enjoyed the hands-on experience of day 1. Type 1 in the chat box. Perfect. Now day 2 is going to be super duper exciting. We're going to be doing more tools and more hands-on. I'm going to push you and pray that you get selected. And if you get selected, get 20,000 rupees. Sorry, I'm having my lunch. It's 1:30 here. I apologize. Otherwise, the cart food guy leaves. So, and I haven't had breakfast. Okay, so pray that you get selected. And if selected, pay the deposit then and there, and you can get in. So, pray to your favorite god or goddess, right? And you'll get in the admission for the IITM Pravatak. And we're going to be tomorrow doing a lot more of Grok and Terminal. So, come ahead of time. And your homework. How many of you want to know homework? Type H in the chat box. You get points for the homework as well. I want you to go to the leaderboard and improve your rank. Okay? Go to the leaderboard and start improving your rank right now. Okay? And there should be no pending balances. Make sure you make all the payments, etc. because there should be nothing between a student and a teacher. Wo rishta is divine. So make sure you make all of the payments on time ahead of time. Okay? Hustle, do whatever, jugaad karo, be focused because the time of AI is right now. How many of you are ready for day 2? So how to climb the leaderboard? Go back to learn and do these self-paced lessons. So I'm going back to so here in the 3-day bootcamp, you'll find a lot of the exercises. Start finishing and at least as much as possible go on top of the leaderboard. Do I have your commitment? You'll come prepared by tomorrow and start topping the leaderboard. Type T in the chat box. How many ranks will you improve? Type in the chat box, how many ranks will you improve? Make a commitment. Can I have your commitment? You will improve as much as possible and try to top the leaderboard. Type T in the chat box. Okay, with that, we come to the end of day 1. I look forward to seeing you in day 2, where we're going to have secret 2 tools and AI that you can actually skyrocket your own career. Thank you so much.